The number one rule in real estate is location, location, location. Well, this is minutes from downtown Greenville and the Swamp Rabbit Trail, and this house has everything you could possibly put on your wish list. Come on, let's take a look at 46 Partridge Lane. This home has been thoroughly renovated, starting with the gourmet kitchen featuring modern finishes, sleek countertops, and plenty of space to gather with family and friends. The primary suite is a true retreat, soaring vaulted ceilings, spa-inspired bathroom, and a walk-in closet that makes staying organized effortless. Downstairs, you'll find a full guest suite, a home gym, and even a cold plunge. Step outside to the oversized screened porch with a cozy fireplace and built-in heaters. This is the perfect space to entertain year-round, and it really brings the inside and the outside together. Sitting on a rare double lot, this property features a private putting green and a beautifully landscaped yard that feels like your own private golf course. And let's talk location. You're just steps from the Swamp Rabbit Trail and minutes to award-winning restaurants, shops, and all that vibrant downtown Greenville has to offer. This is the one. You've been looking for a sign. This is it. This is absolutely the house that you don't want to let get away. It is minutes from downtown Greenville and the Swamp Rabbit Trail. It has everything you could possibly want on your wish list. This is 46 Partridge Lane. Hurry up and reach out to me. I'm Angela Rodriguez at Encore Realty, and let's get you your dream home, or else this is the one you're going to be thinking about for the rest of your life.